Although active shooter situations are very uncommon, it is incredibly important to educate and prepare ourselves in case of emergency. There are 3 main steps to follow when protecting yourself from an armed intruder: run, hide, and fight. If you are far from the intruder and are able to run in the opposite direction without putting yourself in danger, that is ideal.
Guys, there's an armed shooter in the cafeteria.
If you are near the shooter and can't run, this is when you hide. Turn off the lights, close the blinds, and lock the door. Gather weapons and heavy objects to protect yourself. Spread out around the room you are in and hide behind desks and tables. Each classroom is equipped with a crowbar.
Guys, there's an armed intruder in the network classrooms. We have to take cover.
When you receive the all clear and police arrive, keep your hands empty and in plain sight. Follow their directions and refrain from making any sudden movements. Our last resort is to fight. Use heavy objects to disorient and disarm the intruder.
Everybody move!
Student safety is our highest concern. It is not to be taken lightly.